Dear student, welcome back to our NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at home. This is Shingli Shaha, Assistant Teacher of English, National ITEL English Version School, Morning Shift. Student, today I am going to take your Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the student of class 4. Our today's topic is lesson 3 about fire from chapter 12. So student, let's get started our topic. This chapter is about disaster, many kinds of disaster management. So student, in previous class we have already discussed two disasters, and today I will discuss about fire. So student, you know that before going to start this topic, you have to know about disaster. What is a disaster? So student, you know that disaster is something that happens suddenly and causes mass suffering or loss, and disaster can be divided into two types. One is man-made and another is natural. So most of the cases we know that fire is responsible for man-made reasons. So here are given effects of fire, causes of fire, and dealing with fire. First, effects of fire. Bangladesh is experiencing a high risk of fires these days. They usually happen in the dry season, in slums, crowded places, and particularly garment factories. Fires cause buildings to collapse, so people lose their livelihoods in rural areas. Crops are destroyed, and farmer suffers a lot. You know that among all these disasters for which people are responsible, fire is most devastating, and in most cases in our country, fire incidents have occurred in our country in the dry season, and we know that crowded places like slums, garment factories, okay, in these areas fire incidents occur in most cases. So people lose their lives and lose their livelihood for that, and crops are severely damaged, buildings, houses, and mills, factories are severely damaged because of fire incident. So here are given causes of fire. Now the causes of fire are of many man-made reasons. Here are some examples. Number one, if the stove is not fully turned off. So student, we should turn off the stove after cooking from the flame of discarded cigarettes, bidi, hookah. So we should not throw away the flame of discarded cigarettes, bidi, and hookah. If a lamp, hurricane, or mosquito coils are left alight, so a lamp, a hurricane or mosquito coils are left alight. That means we should these things at a safe place. We should these things keep in a safe place. If the electricity lines has a problem, we should check the electricity lines sometimes because there is a electricity lines, there is a problem. From flammable materials, things which burn easily in a factory. So flammable objects should be kept at a safe distance. If the children play with fire or explode fireworks, that means we should keep away our children from playing with fire and explode fireworks. Fire spreading from one house to another. We know that fire spreads from one house to another in a swift. So we should be careful about it. Now we should know how to deal with fire. At first, save yourself first. We should save ourselves first. Number 2, raise the alarm and inform the fire service. We should raise the alarm and inform the fire service immediately, and before it we should collect the nearest nearest fire service phone number with us. Warn the authorities if anyone is still in the building. So we have to warn the authorities if anyone is still in the building. Number 4, remove flammable objects from the areas. We should remove flammable objects from these areas, and we should keep it in a safe place. Never go back to a fire to save property. We should not risk our lives to save our property. If your skin is burnt, put it under cold water for 10 minutes and then go to a doctor. Student, if anyone, any area of our body is burnt, so water will have to be poured on this area, and then the victim will have to be sent to a doctor immediately, as soon as possible. No risks of own life can be taken to protect an asset. So we should not risk our lives to save our property or asset. Now discuss with the whole class. What have you heard about serious fires? Who has experienced a local fire? How did it start? How do you prevent fire? And what should you do if you find a fire? These questions you have to discuss with the whole class. Number B, what do you remember about all the disasters in this chapter? Write one sentence in each of the boxes. Now causes, here are given causes, effects and how to deal with it. Floods, causes excessive rain, cyclones, depression on sea, fire, incautiousness. So effects, what effects? Flood, roads, houses, okay, go underwater, and cyclones, houses, crops damages severely, and fire, lives and houses, buildings are damaged severely. How to deal with it? We should listen to the radio, television to know about weather forecast, and cyclones we should know about the signals and inform others, and fire we will not do anything that happens fire. Now C, arrange a class meeting to discuss precautions against fire. Make a poster to warn your community of the dangers from one particular disaster. Illustrate it with your drawing or photos. You can do it at home. And number D, match the condition in the left column with the result in the right column. Number 1, carelessness in a dry season. You have to match it the rest of the sentences. So carelessness in a dry season, that will match with carelessness in a dry season, that will match with fire. And low pressure over the sea, that means cyclones. And heavy rainfall that does not drain away, it will be matched with waterlogging. So now come to the fill in the blank. Bangladesh has faced several kinds of disasters. DISASTERS. So Bangladesh can face several kinds of disasters. Number 2, Bangladesh has dash 7 bad floods since 1987. Here we can write experienced. EXPERIENCED, experienced. Number C, flood occurs in Bangladesh due to dash location and natural causes. Here we can write geographic. GEOGRAPHIC. Number D, heavy rainfall is also dash for flood responsible. RESPONSIBLE. Number 5, Bangladesh has experienced 3 bad dash cyclones. Number 6, the strong winds and rain dash houses and crops, damage. DAMAGE. Number 7, fires cause fires cause building to dash. And number 8, no risks of own life can be taken to dash any asset. No risks to protect. So student, here are given 8 fill in the gaps. You have to fill it. And now come to the homework. Your homework number is 9 and topic fill in the blanks. So student, you have to submit your homework. You have to submit your homework on next Saturday on time. So student, keep practicing at home. And again I am telling this fill in the blanks again. Okay, sorry student. Here Bangladesh can face several kinds of disaster. Bangladesh has experienced 7 bad floods since 1987. Number 3, flood occurs in Bangladesh due to geographic location and natural causes. And number 4, heavy rainfall is also responsible for flood. And number 5, Bangladesh has experienced 3 bad cyclones. Number 6, the strong winds and rain damage houses and crops. Number 7, fires cause building to collapse. Here. Number 8, no risks of own life can be taken to protect any asset. So you have to complete your homework and submit it on time. Thank you all of you.